What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you run across here, welcome. Alright, y'all, about to get out to fishing today. Get to fish about an hour and a half. And nothing to do before the kid get out of school, so yeah, just load up the kayaks and go down the road here. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, just make it out here. Apologize, I haven't made a video for y'all, so just gets a little time, you know how it's busy at work and business and stuff, you know, so I'm just making it out here at the creek. After the cold front's coming in, they might be still in here, you know, so y'all stay tuned. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with my paddle tail right here with a 16-ounce jig head. See if they come all the way back here. Let's see. Who knows, they might be come all the way down here. So yeah, happy new year to everyone. Hopefully the 2024 bring y'all success and luck and stay healthy. So look at this. Oh, big trout. Big trout, y'all. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is a redfish. Alright, this will be my first one of the year, y'all. Well, yeah, kind of. First fish of 2024. Little beautiful redfish right here, y'all. Small, but he's pretty nice. Thanks, buddy. What is that? Some biting. Trout. Baby trout. Baby trout, yeah. That's the baby trout. Baby trout. This one, it's a good size. It's a redfish again. Redfish. We got some trout, pretty good size. Oh, that's red. Beautiful tail. Look at that tail. Love that blue.